Hello students, Standard 8, Chapter number 12 in Mathematics, Exponents and Powers. Now we are busy exercise 12.2, which is almost done. Only two last questions are remaining. Question number 3. Express the number appearing in the following statements in standard form. It means that some statements are given in which some numbers are there, maybe very small numbers, and that numbers we have to write down in the standard form as we learned already. First statement is 1 micron. 1 micron is equal to 1 upon 10 lakh, 1 upon 10 lakh meter. So now that one we have to write down in the standard form. So that is equal to 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means it is 10 raised to 6 meter. And if you bring it on the top, it will be minus sign, is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Here we don't have to change the place of decimal point because there is no decimal point there. So either you can write 1 into 10 raised to minus 6, or you can write down 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter. Anything is same. Second one, charge of an electron. Charge of an electron is equal to, oh, there are lots of zeros after point, 0.3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 12, 15, 16, 18 and then 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and then 16, 6 coulomb. So now this number we have to write down in the standard form. So now we know that the decimal point must be after non-zero digit. Here first non-zero digit is 1. So answer will be 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to how much? So now we already count the zeros, there are 18 zeros. Plus another one place also because after 1. So 18 plus 1 is how many? 19. So we are moving on the right side, so minus, so 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Let's take the third one. Size of a bacteria is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros and 5 meter. So now we know that it is 5. So you can write down 5.0 into 10 raised to. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros and then another 1. So 7. So 10 raised to minus 7 meter. Fourth one. Size of a cell size of a shell, plant cell, size of a plant cell is 0.00001275 meter. So now we need to move the decimal point after 1 because 1 is the first non-zero integer. So 1.275 multiplied by 10 raised to how much? So 4 zeros and then another 1 place of 5. So 10 raised to minus 5 meter. Fifth one. Thickness of a thick paper is 0.07 millimeter. So here you can see that it will be 7.0 into 10 raised to. We have to move only two places. So 10 raised to minus 2 millimeter. Now the simple thing, as I already explained you in the previous sessions also, that when you write down the number in the standard form or the scientific form, what do? We need as a product of a integer between 1 and 10 and multiply by the power of 10. And so we have to move the decimal point from the place after first non-zero digit. So by this way we can do. Now the last question. Question is very long, so I am not writing the question, but first I will read that question, and when you are writing in your notebook you can check the question from the textbook. It says that in a stack there are 5 books, each of a thickness 20 millimeter. Means there are 5 books. Thickness of one book is 20 millimeter only. And another 5 paper sheets also, whose thickness is 0.016 millimeter. And you have to find the total thickness of the stack. So now first, what is the thickness of one book? We will write down thickness of one book is how much? 20 millimeter. Therefore, thickness of 5 such books is equal to 5 multiplied by 20 is equal to 25 is 100 millimeter. Also there are 5 paper sheets. So thickness of one paper sheet is how much? 0.016 millimeter. Therefore, thickness of 5 such sheets, 5 multiplied by 0.016. We know that 16 5s are 80, and there are 1, 2, 3 decimals. So 1, 2, 3. So you can write down 0.08 millimeter. Now total thickness thickness of the stack is equal to, we have to add them, means 100 millimeter plus 0.08 millimeter. Then if we add, it will be 100.08 millimeter. But now we have to write it down in the standard form. So it is 1.0008. Now how many places we moved? We moved 2 places on this side. So when we move to the left side, we add plus, means 10 raised to 2 millimeter. So that is the final answer. Now for some practice, we can do some extra sums. First one is find M so that minus 3 power m plus 1 multiplied by minus 3 raised to power 5 is equal to minus 3 raised to power 7. So first what is given, we will write down minus 3 raised to power m plus 1 multiplied by minus 3 raised to power 5 is equal to minus 3 raised to power 7. Now the bases are equal, so we can apply the rules on this side. Multiplication means sign, addition. So m plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 raised to 7. Therefore minus 3 raised to m plus 1 plus 5 is 6. So now we can see that bases are equal. Therefore we can compare the powers. Comparing powers of equal bases. So we get m plus 6 is equal to 7. And therefore m is equal to plus 6 will go that side. 7 minus 6. So the value of m is equal to 1. Let's do the another sum. Find the value of m for which 6 raised to power m divided by 6 raised to power negative 3 is equal to 6 raised to power 5. So here 6 raised to division means minus m minus 3. Therefore 6 raised to m plus 3 is equal to 6 raised to 5. So now comparing powers of equal bases. So we get m plus 3 is equal to 5. So m is equal to 5 minus 3. So we get the value of m is equal to 2. Now let's take another one example. If the thickness of a paper sheet is 0.0016. Find the thickness of hundred seats. Express your answer in the standard form. In standard form. So now, thickness of one sheet is equal to 0.0016. Let me see in centimeter. Now there are 100, therefore thickness of 100 sheets. Then you have to multiply this number by 600. So 100 multiplied by 0.0016. So now you can convert that 100 into 16 upon 1, 2, 3, 4 means 10,000. 0, 0, 0, 0 are cancelled. Is equal to 16 upon 100 means 10 square. Is equal to 16 upon 10 square. Which you can write down 16 into 10 raised to minus 2 centimeter. But it is still not in standard form, because the decimal point must be after first non-zero digit, means it must be 1.6. So we move one digit that side, or rather you will get confused. So rather let me do another way. You know that 16 upon 100, what is the meaning of it? 0.12 means 16. Now you can easily convert it. It is 1.6 into 10 raised to. Now we move only one digit to the right side, and therefore it will be negative. So 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 1 centimeter. That is the final answer. So here we are going to finish the chapter. It will be followed by the PDF file, and any confusion write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.